will like choose unsa ang that's your consequence if hindi maka-answer. Okay? Just raise your right hand if mo answer.
Ang una maka-raise yung right hand.
Yeah, una maka-raise yung right hand. Okay. Wala pa.
Lay.
Okay. First question.
Isa.
Who can give me an animal that starts with the letter A? Baby.
Elephant! Ano na? The village baby.
B!
Ano mo naman?
Ay, Haida!
Grace, siguro ito hand. Go, kuya.
Armadillo. Alligator.
Bibi! Why did you answer elephant?
Elephant.
Okay na.
Now, bibili.
Next! Who can give me an animal that starts with the letter V?
Buns! A bat!
Pareha, ay mo An animal that starts with the letter V? Vans? Ipamod van? A place that starts with the letter P. Okay, cool, kuya.
Philippines.
Alright.
P? Japan.
Ikaw ba? Ba't ikaw pa naman? Ikaw po eh.
P naman mo.
Okay.
Wow.
Kinsa owner sa SM. SM. Amazing! Amazing! Kinsa naging sa Disney World.
Ha?
Kinsa naging sa Disney World.
Si Kuan, si
Walt Disney.
Walt Disney. Yay!
No! It's Mickey Mouse!
Ayun, nabi, kaya maigong ganyan.
No, it's Mickey Mouse.
It's Mickey Mouse, karon.
Alice in Wonderland.
Which place he held an Olympics event for this year?
Paris! Paris
Paris.
2024.
Nakapagbuhap, patakarang buhap.
Paris. London, Paris. Ano mo?
Ama na ka!
America!
Ha?
Paris. Paris Olympic. Ano?
Dila ko natangkaw ni Hergy Bakyadan.
Ano mga bahay nga mag-search?
Transman.
A trans man? What about her? Her, him, what's the pronoun?
He declares himself as her. Who started World War II?
So dati siya gumilo na.
Lucky siya.
Who started World War One?
Transgender man siya.
Who started World War One?
Ang siya
She's from a she.
daog na.
Mama,
Ha?
who started World War One?
Who?
Who started World War One?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, pa.
Who started the World War I?
America.
Is it?
Yeah, but
Or
I know
who?
World War Two.
Then who
Adolf
started the
Hitler.
World War II?
Adolf Hitler, Commander of the Third Reich.
Commando of the
Bahay,
Third
ang
Reich.
anak na ko. Adolf Hitler sila nga doon. Si Adolf.
Commander of
From
the Third
which country?
Germany. Nazis.
Yun.